What's up guys, welcome to Jumpman 4x4, and guess what, I finally found my 4x4 car. Man, it's been really hard experience on looking for a Ford Ranger, but I finally found it and I'm gonna go down to the car yard and make a deposit. Hey, what's up guys, just picked up my Ford Ranger and I got the Sports XLS and it's pretty good. I didn't end up getting the black one, I ended up getting the media gray, and this one, because it's a sport, it's got all the extras. It's got all the sports bar, it's got the steps, it's also got the tub liner, it's got the Ford Pass, which I can start my car with my phone, and I can also do book a service using my phone. This one's got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. So I got my Ford Ranger and it's an XLS 2021 Sports. So with the Ford XLS you get a standard steering wheel, and the top here is plastic. You get like a 8-inch touch screen, and that's with the tech pack. With the tech pack you also get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So on the steering wheel you've got the voice command, you've got the home, you've also got the volume, and then you've got the hang up the phone and pick up the phone. So what I like about Ford, it's got the Ford Pass system, and I can actually locate where my car is on the GPS, and also I can start the car from anywhere I like virtually. So if I was at work, I can open the door for my wife to get anything out of it, and I can also lock it from far away. So down here you've got the 12 volt, you've also got the USB, and down the bottom here you've also got the USB port for the auto Android and Apple CarPlay. So up here we've got the lights, and also we've got the glasses holder, and down here is this little thing here where it's kind of stops sounds from the outside. So down here you've got the 4x4 controls, you've got the rear locker, you've also got the traction control, and you also got the parking sensor. You've got the 2H, 4 high and the 4 low. So the Tech Pack XLS Sport also has the climate control for the air condition. So the left side you can control it, and on the right side you can control the temperature. So the car seat is pretty comfortable and soft, and it's only a cloth. If you go to the wild track it'll be a leather, but this is pretty nice. So on the Sports XLS you get those extras. On the extras you get a tub liner, you've also got a sports bar, you've also got the side steps, and then you also get a blackout 17-inch wheels. So with the Ford Pass app I can also start the engine to warm it up in the morning, and I can also stop the engine. So what I like about this, it's got the CD player. I know it's old school, but you can put all your cool old school CDs. There, you've got Orangey right here, and then you've also got this compartment, and then a double compartment there, and you've also got another compartment there. So I got this from Ford Del Manelli, and it's at Kirrawee. They got great deals, and the dealer is easy to talk to. So if you're looking for a Ford, go and check them out. So my Sports XLS is going to be decked out. I'm going to be putting a lot of mods on this, so make sure you follow and check it out. It's going to be a big build. I'm going to be putting bull bar, and I'm going to be putting a lot of 4x4 mods. So if you follow us in this channel, there'll be future off-road videos for camping and 4x4. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to 4x4 Jumpman. Peace.